Hello, my name is Manu Patel, and what I'll be talking about today is what makes Cairo vulnerable with climate change. What will happen to the city if no action is taken to stop the effects of climate change? And lastly, what history and culture impacts its response to climate change? To start off, is the question what makes Cairo vulnerable to climate change? The top two things that make Cairo vulnerable are its water scarcity and the urban heat island effect. The city has a huge water scarcity problem, as it only gets around 10 millimeters of precipitation every year. Between the years of 1901 to 1930, the average rainfall in the fall months were 4.52 millimeters, compared to the years of 1999 and 2020. The average rainfall for the fall months were 3.44 millimeters. There was a difference of about 24%. According to the EPA, the urban heat island effect is urbanized areas that experience higher temperatures than outlying areas, for example, such as buildings, roads, and other infrastructure that absorb and re-emit the sun's heat more than natural landscapes such as forests and water bodies. And due to this fact, with Cairo being covered with 24% of roads according to the Atlas of Urban Expansion, it has a huge problem with this, and thus creates a vulnerability to climate change. If Cairo takes no action to the effects of climate change, the top two things would happen, which are severe water scarcity and close-up flooding due to the fact of rising sea levels. According to the Cameron Endowment of International Peace, Egypt's low-lying coast are already prone to flooding. 2.4% of all Egypt territory is classified as falling into the LECC, lower than 10 meters above sea levels. According to the Atlantic Council, by 2025, the water supply is estimated to drop below 500 cubic meters per capita, a very low level that hydrologists typically define as absolute scarcity. Climate change is also playing a role too, resulting in more rainfall in the south of the Nile Basin, but also more hot and dry years on average. Taken together, the trends of population growth and climate change reveal a bleak picture of the future of water sufficiency in Egypt with no signs of reversal. If Cairo takes no action for these problems, climate change would threaten the lives of the citizens and cost millions of lives. Lastly, the urbanization of Cairo, Egypt has imparted the ability to adapt to climate change. In the years between 1987 to 2014, the population changed from 66 million to 15 million, more than 200% change in 37 years. Thank you for your time.